2006 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power steering, front and rear floor mats, side airbag, universal garage door opener, trip computer, security package, rear window defroster, fog lamps, security alarm. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.